Alright, so this is just a quick tutorial on Easy Ease in Adobe After Effects. Because someone was asking me about it, and basically what it is affecting effects, affecting effects with acceleration. And what that does is makes it a lot more fluid and just a little bit more clean. And let's just get right into it. So I have a linear scale right here, and it looks kind of gross, right? Well, not really, I mean, but in this case, it's terrible. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna highlight scale, and we're going to go to graph editor. You see a graph of the scale, completely linear graph. And we're going to do is add some curves to the graph. So we're going to click Easy Ease out at the beginning and Easy Ease in at the end, in the bottom right. And we're going to make this a little bit more sudden at the beginning by making it steeper on the first part of the scale. And towards the end, we're going to make it a little more flat. What that does is makes it a sudden, impactful scale at the beginning and a little bit more gradual into the final keyframe of the scale. So you can mess around with this, you can make it however you want really. All you really need to know is the steeper the slope of the graph, the faster the effect will be changing, and with the more flat slope comes a more gradual change in values of the effect. And here I have some more examples just with position. As you can see, we have the Y value changing on the graph. Another one with time, and this is from a Call of Duty edit because I see it in a lot of Call of Duty edits actually they use the graph editor or Sony Vegas Velocity, either one. But yeah, if you need any more help, let me know. I'll help you out. But yeah, see ya.